Hello everybody. So as you can see, currently in my car, we are getting ready to fill my son's and also our little doggies Easter baskets. So wanted to kind of take you guys along. Tonight I wanted to go ahead, start getting some stuff, go shopping. I think I'm just going to go to Five Below, possibly the pet store, to look for, of course, my doggies. So we're gonna go ahead, go shopping. Just like as an FYI, we have one son. He is 3.5, gonna be 4 here in July. So this is kind of like toddler toys that we're gonna get for him. And then, you know, our doggy, of course, you know, just all doggies, it doesn't really matter. So let's go ahead, let's go to Five Below, get some of this shopping done. I'm really excited. I honestly can't believe that it's Easter already. It is just wild to me. So let's go ahead, let's do some Easter basket shopping. Okay, so if you have a Bluey lover, like my little boy, the Bluey stuff is insane here. And they have like Easter stuff, which is so good. So I'm gonna grab him some of that. Okay, so got some super cute bubbles. These, like I said, Bluey lovers. This is so great. And then also got some of these little things. They're like just little Bluey and Bingo and Easter baskets. Thought that those are perfect to throw in there. And I got some, let's see, got some Kit Kats. I think that we're just gonna have these before Easter, just to have in our little candy bowl, but they look so good. Oh my gosh, does anybody remember these? I am so getting these for him for his Easter basket, but these brought so many flashbacks. I always remember getting these as a kid. So funny. These coloring books are so cute and they're only $1. So I'm gonna get him the Bible one, but it's just, I think, such a good deal. I love the fact that they are so cheap, but so fun. And then they have a faces one. I might get him this too. Okay, so Five Below was super successful. I feel like I got a ton of stuff for, it was like $75 for my total there, and got a huge amount of things. Some things like I just wanted to get just to have on hand, not necessarily for Easter baskets. So I would say I probably spent like around like maybe like $65 for just Easter basket stuff, which I think is great because now I only need to get like a few more things, nothing crazy, for the rest of his Easter basket. So I think I might get him like a bigger toy because he's been asking for like this bigger Bluey toy. So I might get him that too to put in the Easter basket. So we're gonna go ahead and now I'm going to run into the pet store and get my little Teddy Freddy some of his Easter basket stuff. Our Teddy Freddy loves these Kongs, so I think I'm definitely gonna get him one, just trying to pick out the best one. Don't know which one. This one is actually on sale, so I might get him this one. Wonder why it's not. Oh, I think it's a little bit smaller. I think that's why. But I do love the hippo. I think the hippo's really cute. Okay, no, I have to get him the bunny rabbit because it's Easter and it's going in his Easter basket, so I'm gonna get him the bunny rabbit. He also really loves these squeaky little tiny tennis balls. I don't know why he likes the tiny ones, but they have to squeak and they have to be tiny. So I'm gonna get him some of these too. And also got him some treats. Back at it again. So today I finished all of the Easter basket shopping. Wanted to go ahead and get these Easter baskets built so that way they are all ready for Easter. I will be so relieved when this is done. So got a few more things, but wanted to go over everything item by item so I can show you guys what I got for my son's Easter basket. And then also, like I said, this is also about my little Teddy Freddy, who is our corgi. He's our little doggy. He is our child, so he gets an Easter basket as well. If you've seen my Easter basket videos any time in the past, he always has one. So let's go through these items and show you what I got, and I'm gonna tell you where I got them too. So first we'll start out with the Five Below items. You guys were with me whenever I went shopping there. Got a ton of stuff there for actually really cheap. I got like a few more things that like weren't exactly for Easter, but everything was under $100. I think I paid like $75 total. And like I said, I think like for the Easter stuff, I probably paid like $60. So it was a great place to go to kind of get like the little things and to like, you know, just get some ideas of like what to throw in his Easter basket. So here's what I got individually. As I said, I think I said it in whenever I was shopping there, they had a lot of Bluey stuff. So got him these
bluey bubbles, which are really fun. Figured springtime, kiddos love the bubbles. I feel like that's like a must-have for any Easter basket. So got these at Five Below. I figured it was fun because it had like the bluey head on it, so thought that this was super cute. Also for Bluey, got him a little sticker. These are like a sticker scene type thing, and these are like, you know, like raised up stickers, so thought that these would be pretty cool. Really into stickers right now, so figured he would really like this, and going ahead and playing with this once, you know, he gets his Easter basket. Also got him this Bluey puzzle. I think that this was on sale for like $2, but it comes with like a lot of puzzle pieces. Really into puzzles right now as well, so figured that this would be something fun for him to do, so excited to go ahead and give him this. And like I said, it was on sale, and it's 24 pieces, so it does say for 3 and up. So again, this is something that I can help him with, you know, no problem, but he is really enjoying puzzles right now, so I figured he would really like this in his basket. Got him a new pair of Spidey glasses there. These are so fun. Also really into Spider-Man right now, so figured he would really like these and to add to his little sunglasses collection. Got one of these. This is like one of those like magic marker type things where it comes with the marker and you just color it on the picture to like reveal something, so thought that was pretty cool. It like reveals like all the colors and everything, so figured he would like this since it's like a Disney type book, so figured he would have fun doing one of these. They also had Legos there, so I got him a little Lego thing. This was $9.99 there at Five Below. Figured this would be something fun, and it's so easy to throw in his Easter basket for him to, you know, go ahead and build on Easter Day. But I thought it was really cool that they actually have Legos there at Five Below, and they're like the Lego brand, because I know at the dollar store whenever I go, they have like an off brand of Legos, so this is like actual Lego brand, but he's really into those as well. My husband loves to build these with him, so he will be very happy to get this little, what is it, like a bulldozer in there. It has like a little toe on the back. I thought that that was pretty fun, so he will really be excited about this in his Easter basket. Like I said, really into Spidey right now, especially Spidey and Friends, so saw this little chalk set. He has a lot of sidewalk chalk at home, but I figured this would be fun since it's Spidey, and then just to like do like a little bit of a refill, he can go ahead and have these, and then like it has like the little chalk holder, which is pretty cool. Okay, I think I mentioned whenever I was shopping, does anybody remember these? I brought these home and I was showing these to my husband, and he had no idea what these were. I was like, I got these all the time as a kid. I thought that they were super fun. You just throw them in water and then like they start to like expand and then like make a shape. I remember these all the time whenever I was a little kid and getting them. So I picked them up for $2 at Five Below, and I'm like, he'll love it. It'll be fun, you know, something like easy just to throw it in a cup of water, not messy at all. So figured we could go ahead and have fun with these. Also got him a fun little football. Figured like this is something even like in the house I'm not really too concerned with. He could throw around, have fun with, just, you know, boys, like just loving to like throw things, do things. So this was something cool that I figured I could get him, and it's like squishy and soft, so he can go ahead and have this. I think this was like $5 at Five Below, I'm pretty sure. Probably could have found it cheaper from somewhere else, but I was just on a roll just trying to like get everything. So got this, and then gonna throw this in his basket. I forgot about these for the Bluey and Bingo stuff. These are super cute. Like I said, he's really into Bluey right now, so I figured that these were cute. These were little Bluey and little Bingos, so I'm gonna throw those in his baskets, and they're also in their own little Easter baskets. So, oh, and they come, looks like, with stickers. Oh, how cool. So he can decorate the Easter baskets. So they come with stickers in the back, and he can have fun with it, and, you know, just kind of play with his little Bluey and Bingo. Also picked up this. This is like a like ball spinner type thing. Like you put batteries in it, and then you put the top on, and then like it spins like almost like a topper, if you can look on the back here. So, and it lights up, which I think would be cool. So figured I'd pick that up. I don't know, something little, something fun for him to play with, and we'll try it out and see if it works. Pretty cool. I don't know. I thought it looked pretty cool, so I figured I'd pick it up and throw it in the basket. He also really likes Nerf guns right now, so I picked up this. It's like a little like carnival type game. You shoot like the little ducks with like the little Nerf gun, and then like the little, you know, like Nerf bullets. So figured that would be something fun for him to do and try to shoot, because he's always looking for something with his Nerf gun to like try to shoot and to aim at. So I figured that this would be kind of cool to use and to play with his Nerf guns. He has like a bunch of these, so he could use any of them, but figured it was fun that it came with like a whole pack and like some extra Nerf bullets. And then picked this up for $1. This is like a nice little Bible coloring book for Easter. Figured that this would be nice for him. He likes to color, likes books, but like I said, for $1, I was like, okay, I'll take it. So figured this would be fun. It's like activity book as well. Looks like it has like different things you can do in here, but has some like nice pictures he could color, do whatever. But I mean, such a great deal for $1. And then also, whenever I was going to the checkout, I saw like there was like a few other things that were like $1. So I picked up this. It's like a dino like water game. If you can see, like it like shoots the rings and you're supposed to put it on there. If anybody remembers this, again, 90s kids playing with this stuff. So I thought it would be fun. Great car toy. We're gonna go ahead and throw this in the car once he opens it up for Easter in his basket. So I figured that this would be a good toy to throw in there. And then lastly, at Five Below, I found like this nice little plastic slinky. I actually got him one in his stocking for Christmas, like a real like slinky with like the metal and everything. And somehow that kid broke it. I don't know what he did with it, but so I was like, okay, well, he really liked it. So I was like, I'm gonna pick him up this one, $1. So I'm not gonna mind if he breaks it, you know, but I figured it's nice, has like all the different colors in there. So gonna go ahead, throw that in there too. And then I also stopped at Target. I wanted to see what else that they had. Like, you know, like if they have like their little like kind of like cheaper section to like throw things into the Easter basket. So I found him this. Super cool. It's like a bubble shooter, so figured that he would have fun with this. Don't know if it's gonna fit in the Easter basket. I might have to take it out of the packaging just to throw it in there, but figured that this would be fun. So again, loves the bubbles, so figured that he would enjoy this and having fun with this outside. Also got him this for $1. It's like the big like bubble wand, so figured, you know, again, loving the bubbles. And this has like the big one where you can do like the big ones like outside, you know how kids like can like run around with it. So figured he would have fun with this once he gets it, you know, once it gets nice outside and he can play with it and play with his bubbles. And then at our local store, we have like this really, really good chocolate that is local to us. So I got him some chocolate covered Oreos that is from there. It's from Sarah's Candies. Oh, they're so good. You can actually order them online if you would like to try them, because it is literally some of the best chocolate ever. So absolutely love it. But got him some chocolate covered Oreos, got him like this peanut butter chocolate bunny, figured that that would be fun. And then got him a couple of these are like also like chocolate peanut butter bunnies. So got him a few of these to throw in there because I don't do a whole lot of candy for him. We try to stay away from a lot of the dyes, any of like the Red 40s and, you know, all of that. So I try to be really good about that. Now he does have it on occasion. Like I can't help it if like he's gonna go and we're on vacation and then he gets something special. I understand that, but for me, I like to keep it out of our house. So that way I know that it's like an 80-20 to where 80% of the time he's not having it and 20% of the time he may have it, you know, as a treat or whatever. But for my own sanity, I, you know, just do not keep it in the house. So that's why you don't really see any of like the like candies that a lot of people do, like the jelly beans, like gummy bears. You're not gonna see that in his Easter basket. But again, just our personal preference. No judgment if you are doing that for your child, totally fine. My child is just very hyperactive and I just know that dyes would just make it so much worse if I would give him that on a daily basis. And like I said, our little Teddy Freddy also gets his Easter basket. So I wanted to go ahead and get you like, you know, the few items that I get him and he does find his Easter basket on Easter morning. Like he is a, you know, master hunter with Silas. He will go and he will look for his Easter basket and he knows which one it is because it smells like the pet store. So it is very fun. If you have a pet, I highly encourage you to try to get them an Easter basket, especially a little doggy, because they will find it and it's so much fun. I don't know, they're just like little kids. So our Teddy, his favorite toy in the whole wide world are these Kong Wubbas. So they had this bunny rabbit one at the store. Figured that it was very fitting. I think I showed you guys too. But wanted to go ahead and get him one of these. He goes through these like crazy because this is like the only toy he plays with inside. We'll like play with it, we'll tug it, we'll like throw it. Yeah, he loves it. Also, I showed you guys too these little tennis balls. He loves these, him and his sister Bindi. My parents have the sister from the litter and they love these and they squeak if you hear, so he loves playing with these. They can't be the bigger ones. He doesn't like the bigger ones. They really like the smaller ones. I don't know why. These are like for tiny dogs and they're not tiny dogs, they're like a medium-sized dog. And then I got him some treats, so I got him, he loves these bocces, and I actually do too because like they're smaller, so they're not like a big treat, but he really, really does love these. And then I also wanted to try these. I know that like they're really good for them. They're like cod skin. I don't know, we're gonna see how he likes them because we've never done these before, but figured like this might be a good opportunity to see, you know, if we can like add in something like good for his diet. We try to feed him good, but he's getting older. He is 8 years old, so he's gonna be 9 this year. I can't believe it, but figured I would go ahead and try, you know, to like add some like more like vitamins and stuff to keep my little guy healthy. All right, so that is it. That's all the stuff that I bought for the Easter baskets. We're gonna go ahead and put them all together. I'm gonna use my Easter baskets from last year. Let me show you what they look like. And you can see I already have the grasses still in here. I don't know. I don't see a need to buy a new grass every year when it's like, I throw it in the attic like this and it stays fine. So this is my son's. I got this one from Target last year. I think it was like $10 or something. It's like a good, decent size, able to put like a lot of stuff in here. So I figured this one is good for him. And then I have also, this one is Teddy's. Now this is an older one. I got this one from my parents. It was like a hand-me-down one. I think like it must have been like my brother's old one or something because it's nice and blue. But it was nice that they, you know, just went ahead and gave me this one because I was like, I don't feel like buying another basket. But really nice blue. And then again, like I said, I already have the grasses in here. I'm not gonna go out and buy new grasses every year. Just not happening. So now let's go ahead, let's fill these up. I think I'm gonna stand up and do it because like my back is kind of hurting me. So we're gonna go ahead and fill these up and see what they look like. There's Silas's Easter basket, and then my little Teddy Freddy's. I'll probably put some like eggs or something in here for Teddy and put some treats in, but they're all done. I'm happy. Yay, now it's time to hide these from my child. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this little shop with me Easter basket edition of vlogging. So if you did, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, and then I would love if you would check out some of my other videos. I do videos like this content where it's like lifestyle, and then also I do a lot of Disney content. So if you're interested in it, would love if you would check out some of my older videos, and if you would stick around and just hang out with me because I love meeting you guys, love talking to you guys in the comments. So let me know what you are buying your kids in the comments. Would love to know your ideas for this 2026 year. Like I said, got so many good ideas from Five Below, so I would highly recommend checking out there, especially for like small little things. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm excited for spring, excited for Easter. So until next time guys, bye.